So how do you achieve this?
About time you brain rot.
As you can see, this gives you a very unique thing as when you plug in your iPhone into Connect for it to charge. So to achieve this, you just straight up go to your shortcut, right? You go into your optimization. If you're not there, you just go straight to your optimization down here and you press new. If it's not, there's nothing there, I can delete it, right? And press a new optimization down here. And as soon as I press it, you go all the way down and search for your battery levels, which your battery levels will be here. And then it can be battery level, charger, run immediately, and then next. And then you go speak text. And you just write whatever you want. Come on now, right? If I press come on now, just done. And then anytime I plug in my iPhone, you will hear this.
Come on now. Come on now.
Easy peasy.